Alright, working on the 2010 Ford Fusion. It's my friend's car. It's a pile of junk, but they're having transmission problems, so we're gonna try and see if changing the fluid helps, because it's probably never been changed and it's got 100,000 miles on it. This particular model, the 2010, you can't change the filter on these because you have to remove the transmission. So hopefully just a fluid change will help keep it from not slipping, but not shifting through the gears properly. The fluid is pretty nasty. So let's crawl under here and get this plastic piece off, and we'll try to go from there. Let's see what we got here. Probably, I'm gonna guess here, probably a 12, but we'll go for a 10 just to see. Oh, it's a 10 millimeter on the plastic. We'll get an extension here. It's rusty, super rusty extension. And we'll get this plastic off here. There we go. And we might leave it off because it's tore all to pieces. We're not putting this back because it's not worth it. It's got a big gap in it. Alright, let's see what we got here on the transmission. It's an 11. Alright. 11 millimeter. That's... Alright. Get our drain pan. Make sure this thing's on tight. Set that under here. There we go. Might not be able to see anything. Let's hold this up here while we do it. Not loose now, so let's get that out of the way. Just look at how filthy. That's transmission fluid. That's terrible. While that's draining, let's find a rag. Look, 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 look. Oh, that stuff is rough. We'll pull this pan out of here. Let's get this pan out of here and find our plug. Hopefully our plug didn't go down the drain. Or I think I set it over there to the side, I hope. Couldn't have. Oh, there it is. Little big guy. 11 millimeter. Can't believe it. So, we'll put our plug back in. We're supposed to tighten them up to 9 foot-pounds of torque, but we're going to guesstimate because I don't have a torque wrench. I just get it up in there nice and snug and not too tight. That right there feels like 9 foot-pounds of torque. Let's clean the bottom of this off with some PB Blaster and hit it with our rag. And that'll help later on check, make sure we ain't got no leaks. Wipe it down good. That ain't the prettiest car anyway. But that's pretty enough. This takes about 5-6 quarts. When you're putting it back in, we're gonna use this brand, and it's for the LV. So it's better than what was in it. I don't know if you saw that. We're going to slowly fill it up. We'll put about 3 or 4 quarts in it, and we'll crank the car up and let it get warm. And we'll go cycle through the gears for 5 seconds. Then from there, we'll come back and check it and add what we need. Alright. Now we'll cycle through the gears. And you want to do each one for 5 seconds after it warms up. So we're going to let it warm up here. And we'll come back. Alright, so with the car up to temperature, you want to put your foot on the brake. Then you want to go through each gear for 5 seconds. 1, 2. then back. Then we'll turn it off and we'll check our fluid again. We're going to add about a quarter at a time here. So 5 quarts did it. Check underneath, make sure there's no leaks. I'm not seeing no leaks nowhere. And that's it. I'll let you know if any of this helped them. This was the cheapest route to go at the time. So if this doesn't work, probably just gonna drive it till it dies because it's not worth replacing or fixing the transmission.